I'm going to show you how I'm building my chicken coop. So I got some old leftover chicken wire, and I'm using a wood. I drilled some hole, put some screws. So I'm sandwiching the wire between the wood. And this is 2x4, and this is whatever you can get. You can use uh, a thin one is a 1x4. In this case, it's a 1x4. So 2x4, 1x4, and that's how I do. I sandwich them so the wire stays tight. And to hold it in place, you can just drill a little hole here with the drill bit, and then you put screw here. You're drilling a pilot hole so that the wood doesn't crack, because you're doing on the narrow side of the wood. You don't want to crack it. So then you take a screw and then you screw it in a little bit so that you can pull the wire across and then hook it up so it'll hold it like a hook. You see, it's holding it like a hook. You put like 3 of them so then the wire is pulled tight, and then you can put the little piece of wood. In this case, it's a 1x4. You can see I'm going to put that 1x4 on the top of the wire. See, just like that. And I'm going to screw it in. And once you screw it in, it will be sandwiched. The wire will be sandwiched between the wood. The 1x4 and the 2x4 will hold the wire in. Same thing you can do on this side and that side if you want, or you can just staple it, because since those wires are holding most of the tension, you can just staple it with staples. That'll work as well. And then cut the wire off. The extra wire, you just cut it off. So that's how you do everything. Improvisation. Don't even need a table. If you have a pickup truck like this, just use the pickup truck to get things done. Yeah, pretty easy. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It has to be functional. It doesn't have to be perfect.